Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect Canva on Shopify. So all you have to do is head over to admin.shopify.com and of course, make sure that you log into your account. Next, in a new tab, just head over to apps.shopify.com, press enter, and in the search bar, just search for Canva. And to grant access permissions, just click on install. So from here, all you have to do is fill out all the necessary information that is asked. Say, for example, who will be the primary user and best point of contact. Also add which industry best describes your store. So as you can see here, we also have instructions on how we can connect our Shopify and Canva accounts. So first thing is authorize your Canva account by clicking on this link and just grant permission by clicking on allow. So once you're done to authorize your Canva account, next is to copy the authorization code. You can just click on this link or this. Then next is install Shopify Connect by clicking this. From here, let's just click on use in new design whiteboard. We will be redirected in the page and all you have to do is click on connect your store. Then click on continue. And from here, just enter the authorization code that we copied earlier. This authorization code and just paste by pressing on Ctrl plus V. Then just click on connect. And as you can see, the connection status both already have check marks, which means that we have successfully connected Canva and Shopify. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!